Welcome back to Tutorials Point. In today's video, we are going to learn how to earn your gems on a Duolingo account. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. So let's get started. You can see I'm on my home screen over here and I have just completed one of the tests in Hindi language. You can also do yours on your preferred language, and these are all of the tests and levels that I have unlocked. So to simply claim your gems, all you have to do is tap on this profile icon next to this home page where you can see girl like symbol. You can tap on it. It just turned colorful, right? So this is your current profile and there's images over here. So you can see that simply after scrolling it down, you can see achievements. Here you can just claim for your reward if you have taken your test and you have just been perfect in it. So you can see there are two options to claim my rewards on. I'm going to tap on the scholar for level 2. So simply level up a scholar achievement and then tap on continue. You can see guys, I've just earned 25 gems here. So this is how you earn your gems, and then tap on awesome if you're done. And then for the wriggle as well, I can claim next award for level 2. I'm gonna tap on it. So you've leveled up the wriggle achievement as well, and I've earned 3 crowns on it. So I'm gonna tap on continue. And I've earned next 25 gems again. I'm tap on awesome. So this is how you do it. This is how you earn your gems after claiming on your achievements. And for getting achievements, you have to give your test. And after getting your test, you have to be perfect in it to simply achieve your gems. So this is how you do it. This is how you earn your gems on a Duolingo account. So I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.